taking a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand, and someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. We've reached front. Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up. This here's Frontierland. Home to cowboys, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is full of tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine trains. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. So be sure to say howdy. Those critters love when folks drop in. We've reached Frontierland Station at the house. Sit tight and move those horses until we come to a complete stop. If you disembark, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Please remain seated, everybody. Please remain seated until we come to a complete stop and I give the all clear.